Soaring into the stratosphere, could this be the future of the internet? Google unveils giant helium balloons to bounce internet connections to remote valleys, mountains, and deserts.
2/3 of the world's population, or about 4.8 billion people, don't have the internet right now. And we think that Project Loon can play a big role in connecting many of those unconnected people.
This farmhouse in New Zealand, the first to go online, testing a softball-sized antenna outside.
That was fast, too.
The speeds, similar to a 3G service. A devastating earthquake in nearby Christchurch cut internet connections for weeks. Balloons could restore service quickly after similar disasters.
The internet's fairly significant in my life. It's really important for my work, for keeping track of my kids, for, I use it for recreation and for time managing my life. So yeah, I'm on the internet quite a bit.
The secretive Google X lab that developed driverless cars and Google Glasses came up with the idea of floating routers. The solar-powered balloons fly out of eyesight, bouncing signals uplinked from Earth stations along from one to another. Skeptics say mobile phones can bring the internet to remote regions faster, but Google believes its sky-based internet could one day lead to a truly worldwide web. Naya Hawkins, Associated Press.